Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last lecture, we are done with revision of chapter 5. So today we are going to solve worksheet. Today we are going to solve worksheet given in your book. That is given on page number 73. Page number 73, worksheet. So what we need to do, we just need to solve the questions given in clouds. See, there are so many clouds. In those clouds, some questions are given there. We need to solve those questions, and by their answers, we need to decode a message. So for this message, we need to solve all the questions. By their answer, we will be able to decode the message. So how we can decode? First of all, let's see with the help of alphabets and numbers. If A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, D is equals to 4, E is equals to 5, F is equals to 6, G is equals to 7, H is equals to 8, I is equals to 9, J is equals to 10, K is equals to 11, L is equals to 12, M is equals to 13, N is equals to 14, O is equals to 15, P is equals to 16, Q is equals to 17, R is equals to 18, S is equals to 19, T is equals to 20, U is equals to 21, V is equals to 22, W is equals to 23, X is equals to 24, Y is equals to 25, and Z is equals to 26. So these are the 26 letters of alphabet, and we have given them a number. Each alphabet we have given them a number. So now let's solve the clouds. Cloud A, 64 divided by 4. Now we know the relation between multiplication and division, or we can say that the multiplication division cycle. So in the table of 4, 64 comes in how many times? In table of 4, 64 comes in 16 times. So with the help of relation between multiplication and division, we can say that 64 divided by 4 is equals to 16. So 16, number 16 means P. Here I am writing the code. We will solve one question, and the respective code we will write here for the decoding answer. Now question B. 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7. Now for this you need to know the table of 7. Check whether 35 comes in table of 7 or not. Yes, it comes in how many times? 5 times. 7 5s are 35. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. This is the relation between multiplication and division. So check for number 5. Number 5 means letter E. So the next letter is E. Now the next question, C. 10 divided by 10. Now remember our division property, whenever number is getting divided by itself, the result will be 1. So here 10, we are dividing 10 by itself, that is 10, 10 by 10 is 1. So by the property, simply we can write 1. Now for number 1, letter A is there. So in the place, in the next letter we are having A in the message. Now the next question, question D, 27 divided by 9. Now in the table of 9, in how many times 27 comes? 3 times. 9 threes are 27. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. Now the next question, next cloud E, 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 20. Now you will think, oh, how big number 120. So how will we able to do? Simple. If you multiply 20 by 5, then you will get 100. So if you divide 100 by 20, you will get 5. If you multiply 20 by 5, you will get 100. So if you divide 100 by 20, you will get 5 simply. By the relation between multiplication and division, if we know the relation, then we can solve any question. So 5. Once again, 5 means E. We missed a number, sorry. We missed a number for D. That is number 3. 3 means C. So before C, before E, let's write C. So 16, we had written P for 16, E for 5, A for 1, C for 3, and again E for 5. P-E-A-C-E, peace. This is our first word in the message. So all of you note down this much. If you want to note down these letters and their respective numbers, then you can note this down too. And then in the book only you need to write the answers in the clouds and the message which we are decoding. Note this much. I hope students you have written down. Let's decode the message further. So now we are done till cloud E. So let's start from cloud F. 42 divided by 3. So by what number we multiply? We should multiply 3 so that we can get 42. Yes, if we multiply 3 by 14, then we will get 42. So if we divide 42 by 3, then we will get 14. So let's find out the number 14. Number 14 is for n. So here we will write n. So 42 divided by 3 is equals to 14. The next question G, cloud G, 75 divided by 5. So by what number we should multiply 5 to get 75? Number 15. If we multiply 15 and 5, we will get 75. So if we divide 75 by 5, we will get 15. So this is the relation or importance of the relation which we had learned. Relation between division and multiplication. So for number 15, letter O is there. So our next letter is O. Now cloud H. 80 divided by 4. So if we multiply 4 by 20 or 20 by 4, we will get 80. So in the same manner, if we divide 80 by 4, we will get 20. Okay student? If we divide 80 by 4, we will get 20. So let's check for number 20. Number 20 is for letter T. So N-O-T. Our next word in the message is N-O-T not. Student, note down this much. Write down all the answers in the cloud and write the message further. Okay students, I hope you are done. Let's decode the message further. So now the next cloud is I. (46) divided by 2. Let me check if it is visible or not. Yes, it is visible. So now we need to divide 46 by 2. So if we multiply 2 by 23, then we will get 46. So if we divide 46 by 2, we will get 23. So for the number 23, which letter is there? W. So let's write W. So 46 divided by 2 is 23. Now the next cloud, cloud J. 12 divided by 12. Once again, the property we can apply here. If a number is divided by itself, the result will be 1. So here 12 divided by 12, both the numbers are same, means the answer will be 1. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. So 1, there is A for 1. So our next letter is A. Now the next number, the next cloud, K. 90 divided by 5. Now think about the number, by what number we multiply 5. If we want 90, if we multiply 18 by 5, we will get 90. So if we divide 90 by 5, we will get 18 as answer. So 90 divided by 5 is equals to 18. So for number 18, letter R is there. So the next letter in the message is R. So all the clouds we had solved. Now P-E-A-C-E, peace, and O-T, not. W-A-R, what? Peace, not what? Means we should not fight or war, we should maintain peace. So very nice message given by the book. So all of you note down this much. Note down the whole decoded message and all the answers. Hope students you have noted down. So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.